Hello everyone, I'm Mithun Rawale, Managing Director and CEO of Samarth Construction Consultants Private Limited. In the last 25 years of working across industrial, commercial, and healthcare projects, one thing has become very clear. The projects don't fail overnight. They fail slowly, silently, and for reasons that are completely avoidable. Let me walk you through the major reasons why projects fail and what we have learned from being on the ground. The first reason is lack of clarity in scope. Many projects start with a lot of enthusiasm, but without a clear, frozen, and mutual agreed scope. Drawings are not aligned, specifications keep changing, different teams operate on assumptions. As the project progresses, every small change becomes a major disruption, leading to delays, disputes, and unnecessary cost overruns. A clearly defined scope is not paperwork, it is the foundation. The second major reason is weak planning. I have seen multi-core projects begin without a proper project schedule, resource plan, or risk assessment. If the planning is weak, the execution can never be strong. Simple tools like well-prepared Gantt chart, realistic timelines, milestone mapping, and risk identification can prevent more than 70% of the issues we face at site. Planning is not a formality, it is a strategy. The third reason is poor coordination between stakeholders. In many projects, the civil team works independently, MEP contractors work in silos, and drawings are shared without taking site condition into consideration. This disconnect leads to clashes, rework, and major execution delays. Weekly coordination meetings, structured communication, and a single point monitoring teams makes a huge difference in keeping everyone aligned. The fourth reason is something we have seen so far too often: selecting the wrong contractor or a vendor. Choosing the contractor based on lowest quote may seem attractive, but it often becomes the costlier decision later. L1 is not always the right one. Capability, past performance, technical strength, and manpower capacity matter much more than just number on a paper. The wrong way contractor can delay the work project by months and increase costs far beyond expectations. The fifth major reason is slow decision making. Every project moves only as fast as decisions are made. Approvals of drawings, material selection, and design changes often get stuck for days or weeks. But on site, even a 1 week delay in decision making can push the project by a month. Fast data backed decisions are essential for maintaining momentum. The sixth reason is lack of proper monitoring. When the client is busy, the consultant is overloaded and contractor is rushing. Monitoring becomes the first casualty. But monitoring is exactly what prevents project failure. Weekly site visits, progress reports, WhatsApp updates, photo tracker, and checklists help identify issues early before they turn into expensive problems. Monitoring is not micromanagement, it is the project control. And finally, the seventh reason is ignoring risks until they become problem. Material shortages, labor unavailability, design errors, regulatory approvals. These risks exist in every project, but most teams react instead of preparedness. Proactive risk management reduces delays, saves money, and eliminates stress. At Samarth Construction Consultants Private Limited, we have learned one thing from every successful project. Project success is not just luck, it's the disciplined execution. When scope is clear, planning is strong, coordination is seamless, contractor selection is right, and monitoring is consistent, project finishes on time, within cost, and as per better quality. So if you are starting a new industrial, commercial, or a healthcare project, freeze your drawings, plan your milestones, choose wisely, and monitor relentlessly. Do this, and project failure becomes almost impossible.